everyone, in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to create a simple logo video transition using CapCut on PC. Start by dragging and dropping the logo onto the timeline. Adjust the duration of the logo clip to 2 seconds. Set the ratio to 16:9. Resize the logo as needed and position it in the center of the preview screen. Now navigate to the video basics. At the beginning, middle, and end positions of the logo clip, add a position and size keyframe. Next, move the playhead to the starting position. Move the logo to the left to have it exit the preview screen. Then, move the playhead to the end position and move the logo to the right to exit the preview screen. Move the playhead between the first and second keyframes. Add a position and size keyframe. Move the playhead between the end position keyframe and the second to last keyframe. Add a position and size keyframe. Move the playback cursor to 1 second. Adjust the logo size to cover the entire screen. Move forward 1 frame and add a position and size keyframe. Adjust the scale and position. Now let me play the video and show you what we have. Now let's apply it. Drag two videos onto the bottom layer of the timeline. Move the logo layer to the position between the 2 videos. And there you have it. You have successfully created a simple logo video transition in CapCut on PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.